Today I'll show you how to remove tempered glass from your iPhone 13 Pro Max display. You can do it very simply without any additional tools, just using your fingers. Start from one edge, for example, the right bottom corner. Put your fingernail underneath the glass and lift it up. It comes off easily. You can then reinstall a new one or use your iPhone without the glass. If you found this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.